It has muffler delete, and since you guys have last seen it, it actually has an H pipe installed where the resonator was supposed to be. So let's go ahead and do this. Here we go. What I was saying in the video, and I was trying to speak, and what is insane is that the microphone for the camera was literally basically right next to my mouth and you couldn't hear me, is that the car has just got default tips on it. It has nothing else done to it besides just a resonator delete with an H pipe instead, and just no mufflers, so a muffler delete. That's all the car has done to it and nothing else at all whatsoever. The car is fairly a tad bit loud. I am going to leave the video at the regular volume for the car, even though it is very loud. So just a tiny little bit of a headphone warning if you guys are wearing headphones, or volume warning, anything like that. But enjoy the rest of the video. That's what I was trying to say while recording the video. Also forgot to say this is what it sounds like on idle. Oh, and also just to give you guys like a what it sounds like while driving it now. This is about at 2,000 RPMs, but it's definitely louder than it was before. So there you guys go. That was a couple of revs from the car. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and next time I will be doing another video on the car, and it will be when it has BBK shorty headers. So stick around for that, and I'll see you guys later.